Hello mga may, this is Mommy RB and I'm back para sumagot na naman ng katanungan for family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. Before we start, i-clarify ko lang that Saudi Arabia is actually safe, from all the what's going on right now. It's safe and they're still open naman for this kind of thing. And if you are interested for family visit visa for Saudi Arabia, you can head over to my YouTube channel. I do have a complete information regarding that, especially the 2026 update or updated documents na kailangan ni Tashir. Now, with regard naman dito sa katanungan, ay sagutin natin. Let's read this question kasi para matulungan natin siyang makapunta sa Saudi Arabia. So, ang question dito is, ma'am, strict po ba sila sa PSA live birth? Kasi po may problem po kami ng ate ko sa name ng tatay namin. Magkaiba po kami. Pero same din naman yung family name. First name lang po talaga yung pagkakaiba. So, I would assume na yung kapatid niya yung nagpa-family visit visa or nagre-request sa kanya to go there to Saudi, or yung parang ganun na nga, kasi kung father pwedeng ganun din. I would assume that either the father or yung kanyang kapatid yung nagre-request sa kanya to go to Saudi Arabia. So saan papasok itong strict ba sa live birth or sa birth certificate? So kung magkaiba kayo ng pangalan ng tatay sa birth certificate but they are the same person, for example, Renato siya, tapos ang lalagay sa'yo Renata, so parang ganon, I would suggest for you to submit discrepancy, what do you call that? Affidavit of discrepancy. Yun yung sinasabi doon sa documents required in VFS Tashir, that if there are any discrepancy with the birth certificate, tapos kailangan patunayan that they are the same person, you need to submit a certificate of discrepancy para maipaliwanag na itong tao na to na makikita sa birth certificate ng tao number 1, ako bilang tao number 2, at yung nakikita sa birth certificate ko at sa birth certificate niya ay iisa. So that is certificate of discrepancy. So there's nothing to worry when it comes to that. Kung magkaiba man, basta makapag-provide ka ng certificate of discrepancy, it's understood. At ang certificate of discrepancy, pwede mo execute once and then you keep that document and then you can actually use that for the rest of your life. So you don't need to explain bakit magkaiba yung pangalan ng tatay niyo kung pareho naman kayo ng apelyido. So I would assume like that, 'di ba? Kasi magkapareho kayo ng apelyido, ibig sabihin, pareho kayo ng ama, pareho kayo ng tatay. Nagkamali lang siguro sa first name. So that's what I would assume.